We are the Heather Neidlinger Olivia Henneman real estate team.
And we are dedicated to enriching the lives of those in central Pennsylvania.
We put people first because buying or selling a home is more than just a transaction.
Our team is a family, and when you work with us, you become part of it.
Integrity is everything. We always do what's right by our clients.
From the first showing to the final closing, we've got your back.
Selling? We use cutting-edge marketing to get you top dollar.
Hard work is in our DNA. We hustle so you don't have to.
A positive attitude changes everything, and we bring that energy every day.
Whether you're buying your first home or your dream home, we're here to make it happen. Real estate isn't just our job, it's our passion.
Let's make your real estate goals a reality together.
We are the Heather Neidlinger Olivia Henneman real estate team.
Your trusted partner in real estate. Let's move forward together.